Hello everyone, welcome to Vedantu Malayalam channel. How are you guys and how is the Josh for your Keam exam? Finally the day has arrived so near to us and we are going to attempt the paper now. My God. Yeah, है ना? So nervous or confident? That yeah, we have learned everything, we will rock. Or little nervousness is there that oh my God, finally the day is here, physics, chemistry, maths, everything we have to attempt, this and that. I hope that you guys are not at all nervous. In the Minnal Keam series, we have revised everything, physics, chemistry, maths, we have completed everything, you know, and we have given our best, and now we'll just leave it to the paper and to the final performance. Definitely we'll do amazing, right? So hi and welcome to all of you. Hi Atule, Nageshwar, Harshita, Moonstar, Amir, Ashwarya, It's B, Anjana, welcome to all of you. Also, if any one of you is new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, okay? Because Keam is over, but many more amazing things have been planned on this channel for you. Other competitive exam preparations, +1, +2 preparation, dropper batch preparation, everything has been planned already. So don't go anywhere. All right. Cool. So yeah. Should we start today's class? By the way, what are we going to do today? So today I have brought for you the list of all the important questions which we are going to focus for our Keam exam. Why? Because these are the most repeated questions. These are the topics which are asked every year. So if you know how to solve these type of questions, you can solve the paper. Right or not? Right? Hi Pranav, hi Slime Heart, hi Rishuddin. Great. So if you're excited, come on, hit the like button quickly and show your Josh. Yes, excited? Ready? Chalo. I will not waste your time at all. We will quickly jump on to our today's topic. Now, I hope you guys are already aware of your paper pattern. Your paper 1 will consist of 2 subjects together, physics and chemistry, 120 questions, 4 marks per question and 480 total marks, and the time allotted is also 2 hours 30 minutes. Similarly, your mathematics paper is having 120 questions, 4 marks for correct, so total 480 marks and 2 hours 30 minutes for complete mathematics. So of course, maths has a lot of weightage, right? So this is going to be an exam structure. Hope you are aware of it so that you don't get confused by looking at the paper that what is happening. Okay. All right. Now, which chapter are more important, mostly repeated, and we have to focus? Here is the list. We know that rational numbers and functions are always, relations and functions are always at the beginning of the question paper, or complex number and quadratic equation are basically at the beginning of the paper, and generally they have 7, 8, 9 question asked from these chapters. So important. Next, 3D geometry, limits, differential equation, application of derivatives, indefinite integrals, definite integrals, their application. So I will say complete differential calculus and complete integral calculus, and trigonometric functions and their inverse. All of these chapters are super important. Definitely high weightage. Definitely going to be asked a lot of question. One is missing here, which is basically 2D geometry. 2D geometry is your straight lines and conic sections, right? So what we are going to do today I will show you guys most repeated PYQs, the type of question, the pattern of question which is definitely going to come in your exam. All right. So should we start? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes? Okay, come on. So chapter wise, I'm going to show you what topic is important, what type of question will come. Okay, now from the first chapter, relations and functions, generally I have observed from the past 10 years question paper, they always ask about range and domain of the functions. Okay, now how to approach these type of question? So what I will do, I will tell you which topic, which type of question, and what is the approach towards it. How do you approach such type of question? Okay, now suppose they are asking range of the function. What is range? Range is the output of the function. So always you observe what is your main function. Your main function is sine function. Okay. What is the range of sine function? What is the range of sine function? Anyone who can tell what is the range of sine function? Try. Come on. What is the range of sine function? Very good, very good. Sine function always lies between -1 to +1. Very good, very good. Now, sine function, so sine 3x also will lie between -1 to 1. Now, sine is multiplied to 2. So, what we will do? We will multiply by 2, multiply by 2. So, we get -2, 2 times of sine 3x and +2. Now they have done +1. So what we will do? We will do +1, +1, +1. Everywhere +1. So we get what? -2 + 1 is -1. 2 times of sine 3x +1 is 2 + 1, 3. So this is our answer. -1 to 3. This is how you find out the range of the question. Okay. Always start from the main function. Always write the range of the main function. Then whatever is multiplied, whatever is add, you just apply there. Okay. Next, how do you approach domain of a function? Again, observe what is your main function. Okay. Now, domain is basically allowed values. Allowed. Whatever is allowed, that is domain of the function. Okay. Now, how will you determine what is allowed? See here. This is quadratic equation. Right. Now, quadratic equation, the power is 3, but it is 3 by 2. So, it is basically root of the quadratic equation. So, our main function is not quadratic equation. Our main function here is root, square root. Okay. Because of the square root, your permissible value changes, because whatever is there inside square root should be greater than 0. Negative numbers are not allowed. Very good, CD. Very good, very good. How many questions can we expect from functions? Functions alone you can expect 4 or 5 questions, but from entire relation and functions 7 to 8 questions. Okay. Right. So let's simplify this quickly. What is our x value? We have x square minus 2x minus 63. Factorize the quadratic equation. X square minus 9x plus 7x minus 63. Why? Because 9 into 7 is 63. Right? X common, x minus 9. 7 common, x minus 9. So x plus 7 into x minus 9. Now my question here is, what is my question saying? My question is saying this function is to the power 3, but square root is there, right? So whatever my function is, it is inside square root. So this should be greater than 0. That means this should be greater than 0, greater than 0, greater than 0, greater than 0. Now this is linear inequality. How do you solve linear inequality? Simple. Make your number line. Draw the number. X is minus 7. X is plus 9. Right? After this, alternate sign is allotted. Positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative. Like that. And what is your answer? Since you want greater than 0, so you will select positive sign. So minus infinity to minus 7, union 9 to infinity. Clear how you will solve domain question? Just look at your main function. Inside the main function, you check what is allowed. Our main function here is square root function. Square root. Because inside square root, negative values are not allowed. Right? So if negative is not allowed, it should be greater than equal to 0. So we solved it. We got x value. We got our limits. That's our answer. Clear to everybody? How you will approach this question? Clear? Very good. Next is trigonometric questions. Now in trigonometric, see, generally they ask question on basics of trigonometry, like the basic identities you have, or they will ask question about the equations of trigonometry and find x value. Generally they ask questions like this. So have you memorized all the identities, each and every identity? Have you memorized it? So if you have memorized the identity, just by looking here, you can tell this is sin A plus B into cos, no, this is not sin A plus B. Again, if you observe here, so if I say 40 plus theta is A and 10 plus theta is B, then this looks like sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. This is formula of, who can tell me what identity is applied here? This is formula for what? Anyone? Very good, Vedantu. The right answer is sin A minus B, not A plus B. It is sin A minus B. So your answer will be sin of 40 plus theta minus 10 minus theta, because minus of 10 plus theta is minus 10 minus theta. So theta, theta cancel. 40 minus theta is sin 30 degree. How much is sin 30? How much is sin 30? Come on. Very good. 1 by 2. So what is your answer? 1 by 2. Simple. So such type of basic trigonometric question will come. Another type of question that comes is solving trigonometric equations. For example, here they have given you solve the following trigonometric equation where cos square x plus cos x minus 2 is 0 and x belongs to 0 to pi by 2. Always they will tell x belongs to which limit to which limit. This type of question is very important. They ask in the question paper. Okay, how to solve this question? First is, you should remember every identities of trigonometry. You should also remember algebraic identities, a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, a square minus b square, all of that. Okay, now if you look at this question, first you analyze that, okay, how can I solve it? Now either I solve it like a quadratic equation. Can I solve it like quadratic equation? Think of it like, suppose cos x is x square plus x minus 2. How will you factorize it? So this will be x square and plus 2x minus 2. So it will be x common, x plus 2 minus 1 common, x plus 2. Again x plus 2 common and x minus 1. So you can factorize it like this, right? Now if you factorize it like this, put it again as cos. So again we get cos x plus 2 cos x minus 1. Factorized it like that. Now why are we factorizing it? Because it is written that this value is equal to 0. So we need to know what x value is making it 0. So for that we are solving the quadratic equation. Now once you have got it, you will simply equate. So you will say that either cos x minus 1 is 0. This implies that cos x is 1 or cos x is minus 2. Right? Because cos x plus 1 is plus 2 is 0. Now you tell me, can cos x be minus 2? Can cos x be minus 2? No, it cannot be minus 2. Why it cannot be minus 2? Because range is from minus 1 to 1. It cannot be minus 2. It starts from minus 1, it ends at 1. It cannot be minus 2. So this is not allowed. Can cos x be 1? Yes, cos x value can be 1. When it is 1? It is 1 for a multiple of 2 pi. Multiple of 2 pi. But they have already given here, the limit. They are saying that x only belongs to 0 to pi by 2. Now you are telling me it is a multiple of 2 pi. So 2 pi does not belong to limit. But only one value is there. If k is equal to 0, then 2 pi into 0 is basically 0 and cos 0 is 1. And that is allowed. So, therefore, our answer is that x is equal to 0 is the only solution to this equation. Understood everybody what we did here? First, you have to find out what x value is satisfying the equation. To solve the equation, algebraic identity and trigonometric identity. Okay. After that, whatever x value you get, you have to check from here, allowed, not allowed. So whatever is allowed is your answer. Okay. Next, so from trigonometry, they will ask basic trigonometric question or solving the equation questions. Generally, every year questions come like that. Okay. Moving on. How to find sum of roots and product of roots in quadratic equation? Well, it's very simple. We have already done formula cheat sheet of quadratic equation. Just go and watch that session. I have explained in detail all the formulas. Okay. Today we will not revise the formulas. Today we will focus on the pattern of the questions. Okay. Now, how to approach these type of questions? Well, somebody has already answered it. The legend has already answered it. Very good, the legend. Okay. See. First, 7 pi by 6. Is it the domain of cos function or cos inverse function? No. So first we have to get it in domain form. Simply you should know cos and cos inverse, all the formulas and identities, all the rules. So I can write 7 pi by 6 as pi plus pi by 6. Right? Cos pi plus pi by 6. Now, can anyone tell me what is cos pi plus pi by 6? What is cos pi plus theta? Quickly. What is cos pi plus theta? Try. Guess. What is cos pi plus theta? Nobody remembers. Please memorize it today itself. It is minus cos theta. Yes. So, cos inverse cos minus cos pi by 6. Right? Now, what is cos inverse minus theta? Now, this is what? Cos inverse minus theta. What is cos inverse minus theta? I told you the formula. Cos inverse minus theta is pi minus cos inverse theta. So, this is pi minus cos inverse cos pi by 6. Now, cos inverse cos pi by 6 is pi by 6. Pi minus pi by 6 is 5 pi by 6. That is your answer. Okay? Cool. So, such principal value functions will be asked for inverse trigonometric function, that if your input does not belong to the principal value, you will transform it and you will get the answer like that. Okay. Next is principal value functions, but a function which is different from the inverse function. How will you solve this type of question? So, suppose that they ask you tan of sine inverse of 7 by 25. Now, how is tan and sine inverse related? For this, let us convert sine into tan. Do you know how to convert sine into tan? Do you know? See, what you have to do is sine inverse 7 by 25 is theta. So, sine theta is 7 by 25. So, what will be cos theta? Cos theta will be 1 minus 7 by 25 whole square, right? So, this is square root of 625 minus 49 upon 625, which is basically 24 upon 25, right? Now, put it over here. So, cos theta is 24 upon 25. So, what do you get? Now, you find what is tan theta. Tan theta is sin theta upon cos theta. Sin is 7 upon 25. This is 24 upon 25. This gets cancelled. 7 upon 24. Now, you got tan theta, but we don't need tan theta. We need tan of this. So, anyways, theta is tan inverse of 7 upon 24. Right? Theta is tan inverse of 7 upon 24. We will put it here. We will put it here. So, what do we get? Tan of tan inverse 7 upon 24 is 7 upon 24. Okay. So, how do you convert sine into tan? To convert sine into tan, first find out cos, then find out sine upon cos. You will get tan, and then tan inverse tan or tan of tan inverse. You do anything, you get your answer. Okay, understood? Great. Next, moving on, matrices and determinants. Most of the times they will ask questions on multiplication of matrices, inverse of matrix and transpose of matrix. Okay, sometimes they also ask about adjoint. Adjoint of matrix is also important. Only these three topics are important, right? Now, this question, how will you approach it? They are asking what is B transpose. Do we know what is B? No. We know A into B. Simple. So, if A into B is minus 5, 41, 5 and minus 13. How will you get the value of B? How will you get the value of B here? Simple. Value of B will be, we will shift A to this side. When we bring A to this side, what does it become? It becomes A inverse. So, once we shift A to the right hand side, it will become A inverse. Okay. Yeah. So, sorry. Now, you want to find B. So, B will be what? Just multiplying this function with A inverse. You will get B. Now, once you have B, you can find B transpose. Easy, na? Once you have B, you can get B transpose, right? Now, how many of you can find out A inverse from the shortcut? How can you find A inverse from the shortcut? A inverse shortcut is, remember, if your A matrix is this, A inverse will be 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. How we get adjoint of A? Remember, 3 will come here, minus 2 will come here, 4 will become minus 4, 1 will become minus 1. So, this is adjoint of the matrix divided by determinant. What is the determinant of A matrix? What is the determinant of A matrix? Yes, very good. Position change, sign change. Now, determinant is 3 2s are 6, 4 1s are 4. So, this is 1 upon minus 10 into minus 2, minus 4, minus 1, 3. So, you have A inverse. Once you have A inverse, you can multiply it with AB and you will get B matrix. Once you have B matrix, you can find out transpose of the matrix. Clear? How we are approaching the question clear to all of you? First, we are finding out A inverse. After finding out A inverse, we are multiplying it to AB, right? Let me just make it like this. I'm just telling you the approach of this question. I know you can solve it. So first, we find the value of B. What is the value of B? B will be AB matrix into A inverse. Okay, AB matrix into A inverse. Cool. Now, once you have found out B, then just find out B transpose. Row will become column, column will become row. That's it. Can you do it now? Tell me. Can you do it now? I have shown you how to find A inverse. After finding A inverse, can you multiply with AB? Will you be able to multiply with AB? Yes or no? Yes. Now you can solve it after this. Right? Great. Chal. Next type of question. What is the adjoint of the matrix and the properties related to it? Now, have you memorized all the properties related to adjoint of a matrix? If not, please memorize it today. Okay. Now, in the question, they have given you a matrix A. They are saying let B matrix is determinant of A into adjoint of A, then determinant of B is dash. How will you do it? Simple. B matrix will be determinant of A. What is determinant of A? Fatafat, we can solve this quickly. What is determinant of A? 2 ones are 2 minus 1 multiplied with adjoint of A. What is adjoint of A? We know shortcut. What is the adjoint of A? 2 will go here, 1 will go here, 1 will become minus 1, this will become minus 1. Simple, simple. So this is basically B matrix. Now what is 2 minus 1? It is 1. So nothing has to be multiplied. No need to multiply anything because determinant is coming 1 only. So simply this is matrix B. Now they are asking what is determinant of B. Quickly tell me. Quickly calculate and tell me what is determinant of B. What is determinant of B? Answer is coming 3. 2 ones are 2 and minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1. So 2 minus 1. 1, not 3. 1 is the answer. Minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1. So minus of plus 1 is minus 1, not 3, not 3, not 3. Yeah, 2 minus 1 will be 1. Easy. Can do it. Please remember adjoint shortcut. Adjoint shortcut is very, 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 very important. A number of times I have told you, so many questions are coming. Everybody remember shortcut to find adjoint. Right? Okay. Next is AP and GP. So which type of question will come from AP and GP? AP and GP? Yes. Okay. So, arithmetic progression and geometric progression. Generally, only 2 type of question will come. One is sum of first n terms, another is nth term. Only these 2 questions will come. Okay. What is the sum of first n terms formula? Sum of first n terms is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. All of you remember this formula? Every time the same formula will be applied, right? So they are asking 24th term. No, sum of first 24th terms. S24 is 24 by 2 into 2 times of first term. What is the first term? 9. So 2 into 9 plus 24 minus 1. What is the common difference? Common difference is 13 minus 9. Yeah, Pulimada, we are doing, don't worry. 13 minus 9 is 4. So 4 is the common difference. Simple. Easy. This is of course a very easy problem. We are just putting n value, a value, d value and we are getting the answer. Hai na? Should I solve it or you can do it on your own? You can do it on your own. Hai na? After this you can solve. I am sure. After this it is easy. Okay. Moving on to nth term of an AP. If in AP there are 18 terms, that means 18 is the last term. And the last three terms are 67, 72, 77. Then the first term of the AP is dash. How will you get the first term of the AP? Now in the question they are saying A18, the last term is 77 and the last term is 18th term. Okay, they're asking what is the last term? A18 is the last term and that is which term? 77. So A plus 18 minus 1 into D is 77. So 77 is first term plus 17 into D. Now what is D value? Who will tell me D value? Come on guys, tell me. What is the common difference here? What is the common difference? Quickly, quickly. Very good, Shamaz. D is equal to 5. So just put 5 here. 77 is first term plus 17 into 5. So from here you will get the first term. From here you get the first term. So 77 minus 7 5 is 35. Carry over 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the first term. So it will come in negative, of course, because we are increasing the values, right? Now 85 and 77 is 8 minus 8. है ना? Yeah, minus 8. Now they are not asking A value. What are they asking? Oh, they are asking A value, na? First term of the AP. They are asking A only. This is your answer. They are asking only A value, nothing else. This is your answer. No problem. Okay, awesome. Next is geometric progression. In geometric progression also you will get same type of question to find out sum of first n terms or the nth term of the GP. Okay, what is sum of first n terms of the GP? Now, either they will give you the series in this format and they will tell you what is the allowed value, what is the starting value of n. And they are asking sum of first 40 terms. But for sum of the terms you need first term and you need common ratio. So first we have to find that, right? So what is the first term? First term will be n value is equal to 1. So it will be 1 plus minus 1 to the power 1 minus 1. So this is 1 plus minus 1 to the power 0. What is minus 1 to the power 0? Anyone? What is minus 1 to the power 0? Tell me. What is minus 1 to the power 0? Very good, Shamaz. 1 minus 1 to the power 0 is 1. So what is your first term? Your first term is 2. Correct. What is the second term? Second term is 2 plus minus 1 to the power 2 minus 1. So 2 plus minus 1 to the power 1. That is minus 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So A2 is 1. A2 is 1. Okay. So now we know the first term. What is the common ratio? Who will tell me what is R value here? What is the common ratio? Quickly, quickly. What is the common ratio? Anyone? One by 2. Very good, CD. Very good, very good. So R is 1 by 2. Now we will just find the first 40 terms is A1 into 1 minus R to the power 40 upon 1 minus R. So A1 is 2. 1 minus 1 by 2 to the power 40 upon 1 minus 1 by 2. So that's your answer. Okay. Correct. Great. Next is nth term of a GP. Again, they will ask sum of first n terms or the nth term of the GP. Same to same procedure. What is the nth term of the GP? nth term is basically a into r to the power n minus 1. Now what is the first term of the GP? First of all, first term of the GP is put r is equal to 0 over here. So 2 into minus 2 to the power 0. Minus 2 to the power 0 is 1. So this is 2. Got it? Now we have to get the common ratio. To get common ratio, you should get A2. What is A2? 2 into minus 2 to the power 1. So it will be minus 4. So what is the common ratio? A2 upon A1 is the common ratio. Minus 4 by 2 is minus 2. So here R value is minus 2. Yes, R value is minus 2. A1 value is plus 2. Very good. So they are asking the 11th term of the GP. So A11 will be A1 into R to the power n minus 1. So it is basically A1 is 2. Common ratio is minus 2 to the power of 11th term, 11 minus 1, that is 10. So 2 into minus 2 to the power 10. So this is basically 2 to the power 11 is your answer, because minus 2 to the power 10 is 2 to the power 10. So your answer is 2 to the power 11. Got it? Understood? Very good. Correct. Next comes complex number chapter. Now complex number, I have already told you what type of question is important. First of all, every year they ask questions on argument of a complex number. What is the argument of a complex number? Yes, CD, right. Argument of the complex number is tan inverse imaginary part upon the real part of the complex number, right? That is argument of Z. Now if I look at argument of Z, what is the imaginary part? What is the real part? Nothing is given over here. It is actually complex number upon complex number. How to solve such type of question? Very good, legend. First of all, you should know what is the imaginary part, what is the real part. For this, rationalize. Correct, CD, absolutely correct. 8 plus 4i upon 1 plus 3i. Rationalize it. 1 plus 3i into 1 minus 3i. Numerator also 1 minus 3i. Multiply. What do you get? Multiply. What do you get? So, first open the brackets. So when you open the bracket, you get 8 ones are 8, 8 threes are 24i plus 4i and 4 threes are 12. Divide by a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. So 1 square minus 3i whole square. So you get 8 plus 12 is 20. 20 minus 20i upon 1 plus 3 threes are 9, that is 10. So 20 minus 20i upon 10 is basically 2 minus 2i. This is your Z. Now you find out what is the tan inverse of y by x. Very good, everybody, very good. My imaginary part is minus 2. My real part is plus 2. Cancel. I get minus 1. What is tan inverse of minus 1? That's your answer. Right? Very good. Of course, 400 above is good marks only. Puli Mada squared. No doubt in that. If you get 400 plus, obviously you are getting super awesome marks. Very good. So, that's your answer. That's how you find out argument. Everybody understood? To find out argument, first you need to rationalize the denominator to get one single complex number. You cannot have two complex number. Okay. Next type of question. They generally ask questions on modulus. A lot of question on modulus of complex number. Now this type of question, again, as you see, you want to find out modulus of Z. But for modulus of z, you need the real part and you need the imaginary part. But here again, you don't have real part and imaginary part. What will you do? Rationalize the denominator again. So z will be basically 3 plus I, 7 minus I square into 3 plus I. Why into 3 plus I? Because I am rationalizing the denominator. 3 minus I into again 3 plus I. Again same procedure you follow. So z will be equal to 3 plus I whole square, 7 minus I whole square upon a square minus b square. So 3 square plus 1 square. Okay. So I guess you guys can do this question. You can do this question. Just apply a plus b whole square formula. 3 plus I whole square formulas, a minus b whole square formula. Okay? Cool. Or should I open bracket and tell? Tell me. Should I open the bracket and show you how to solve, or you can do it? Can you do it? It is just a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square. You can do? Give a thumbs up if you can do it. Give a thumbs up quickly, quickly, quickly. On the video and on the chat box. Yes, you can do it, I guess. Great. Chalo, moving on to next chapter, vectors, 2Ds and 3Ds. Now from vector, it is super scoring, super easy chapter, our favorite chapter, at least my favorite chapter, because it is very easy and very scoring. So, what type of question will come? First type of question, equation of plane when point is given, normal vector is given, parallel vector is given, 2 points are given, like that type of question. Okay, so super easy. What is the equation of plane formula? If this is x1, y1, z1 and this is a normal vector means a, b, c value. So equation of the plane is given by, equation of the plane is x minus x1 into a, y minus y1 into b, z minus z1 into c, right? Just put the values. So you have x minus 1 into 2, y plus 5 into minus 2 and z minus 3 into minus 1. Done. A, B, C and x1, y1, z1 put in the values. Okay. Now open the bracket and you have the answer. I am sure you can do it. You can open the bracket and solve it. Very good, Shamaz. Absolutely fast. Your calculation is very fast. Very good. Good practice. Next type of question from vectors is dot product and cross product questions. We have done a lot of dot product, cross product, scalar triple product question in the vector one shot video in the Minnal Keam series. If you have not seen that video, please go watch it and solve the questions also. Very easy. Very easy. Okay. So vector dot product is what? They have given a vector, they have given a plus b. So b vector is basically a plus b minus a vector is b vector. So a plus b vector is 4i 2j lambda k minus I minus 2j plus 3k. So subtract, you get 3i minus 4j plus lambda minus lambda plus 3k. This is b vector. After that they are asking what is the value of lambda if a dot b is equal to 4. What is a dot b? Multiply a vector with b vector coordinates. Yes, Shamaz, I have directly written the values without bracket because I have directly applied the negative sign. Okay. Okay, now just multiply. What is a dot b? A dot b will be 3, 4 3 is a 12, minus 3 lambda, 3 3 is a 9 is equal to 4. Solve this, you get lambda. Solve this to get lambda. Done? You can do it? You can do it. Awesome. Next. This type of question is also very, very nice question. Definitely every year they ask a question before angle between two vectors. Every year, angle between two lines, two planes, line and a plane, two vector, and they will use cross product and dot product. Here, how will you solve the question? They have given mod A, they have given mod B, they have given A minus B. Then they are telling theta is the angle between AB, find cos theta. How we will solve this? So we will use the formula A minus B whole square is A square plus B square minus 2A dot B. From here we will get A dot B first. What is A minus B whole square? 24. A square 14, B square 10 minus 2A dot B. So 14 plus 10 is 24. So 24 is 24 minus 2A dot B. So 24 cancel. A dot B is equal to 0. Now if A dot B is 0, what is cos theta? What is cos theta? Cos theta is also 0. Right? Why? Because A dot B is mod A mod B cos theta. Now mod A not 0. Mod B not 0. So cos theta should be 0. Now if cos theta is 0, what is theta? What is theta? 90 degree. At theta is equal to 90 degree, cos theta is 0. This implies that cos theta is 0. So theta is 90 degree. Okay. So always remember, if they give mod A, mod B, A minus B or A plus B, always apply this formula. Always apply this formula. A plus B whole square, A minus B whole square. From here you get A dot B value. Okay, cool. Okay, next, cross product question, simple. Cross product formula is simple. A vector is given, B vector is given. They are asking A cross B dot B. What is A cross B? So first, you can find out A cross B. Then you can do the dot product with B, or you can directly find the determinant of B vector 2, 1, minus 3 and cross product with 1 minus 3, 3, 2, 1 minus 3. Because it is cross product with dot product. So first you find cross product, then you find dot product. Rather you can directly find scalar triple product like this. It is so simple. Directly you get the answer. Okay. Next is 3D chapter, 3-dimensional geometry. You have lines, you have planes, you have points. First type of equation, always they will ask angle between two lines, angle between two planes, angle between line and plane. Very common question it is. Okay. Now how to find out angle between a line and a plane? First, angle between two lines is cos theta. Cos theta formula is, cos theta is mod value of A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2 divided by square root of A1 square, B1 square, C1 square, square root of A2 square, B2 square, C2 square. Simple. Okay. Just put the values. This is A1, this is B1, this is C1, this is A2, this is B2, this is C2. Simple. Now just put the values, get the answer. Okay. So, I guess you guys can solve this. It is easy. A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, everything is given in the question. Just put the values and you'll get the answer. But remember here, please remember that angle between a line and a plane is same formula but sin theta. Sin theta. If it is plane, plane, cos theta. Line, line, cos theta. But if it is line and plane, It is not cos theta, it is sin theta. Same formula but sin theta. Remember, don't do mistake when it is line and a plane, because this is also important, has appeared many times in the previous year question paper. Okay, cool. Next is finding equation of a line by using the given condition. This is also pakka question. Every year they ask question from this. Suppose they give you a point is given, then 2 points are given, which is basically a parallel vector line joining these 2 points. So how do you get the parallel vector? Simple. Parallel vector is basically x2 minus x1 I cap, y2 minus y1 j cap, z2 minus z1 k cap. So your parallel vector will come from these 2 points. X2 minus x1 is minus 1 plus 2 I cap. Y2 minus y1 is 1 minus 2 j cap. Z2 minus 1 is 1 minus 0 k cap. So like that you get your answer. I cap minus j cap and k cap. This is your parallel vector. Now what is the use of parallel vector? Parallel vector is A, B, C. This is x1, y1, z1. Now what is the equation of line? Equation of line is x minus x1 upon A, y minus y1 upon B, z minus z1 upon C. Put the values, right? You have A, B, C. You have x1, y1, z1. Put it in the equation. You will get your answer. Okay? Understood? Great. Next chapter, conic sections, two-dimensional geometry. Now, two-dimensional geometry favorite topic is eccentricity. Eccentricity of ellipse, eccentricity of parabola, eccentricity of hyperbola. Now, for hyperbola, what is the eccentricity? B square is A square into E square minus 1. E stands for eccentricity. Now, this is A square, this is B square. Just put the values. So 45 upon 4 is 9 into E square minus 1. From here you get the value of E and that is your answer. That is the eccentricity of the hyperbola. Okay. Yeah, two-dimensional geometry is literally a lot, I know, because lots of formulas are there and lots of equations are there. But please, don't leave this chapter. Conic section is high weightage chapter. They will ask even 9 to 10 questions from here. Don't leave so many questions. It is important chapter. Okay. Next question. Conic section, again finding equation of the conic section using certain given condition. So again they will ask questions that find the major axis, find the latest rectum, find the equation of the ellipse or equation of the circle. So like those type of questions will come. Now for such type of question, foci is very important. Foci questions are highly repeated every year. So please remember formula for foci of all the conic sections. Okay. Why, Anushri? Where are you facing problem? Ma'am, no time to leave. I know, no time to memorize or the time to leave. Tomorrow is the exam. So, of course, you can't memorize things now. But I will still suggest. See, you have seen my 2D geometry lecture. Have you seen my 2D geometry lecture? In that lecture, I have solved some 9 to 10 different type of questions. So, do one thing. All the students do one thing. If you don't know conic section, if you know conic section but not able to solve the question, just watch my lecture in the Minnal Keam series for 2D geometry. Just watch the questions how I have solved them. How do you find out eccentricity? How you find out major minor axis? How you find out A or B value? How you find out whatever I have told now. Those questions you just solve once and just go through that question once. If similar type of question comes, you will solve it now, and guarantee similar type of question will come because I have done only the PYQ pattern questions in that one shot. Okay? So just watch that class. You will have a good idea. You will have a good idea. Okay, come on. Next is equation of plane. No, Pulimada. We have done equation of plane also so nicely. Equation of plane, only 3 formulas are there. Just remember the formulas. Maths is so much about formulas. Why don't you guys just remember it? Okay, anyways. Now foci is given. For what is foci? So from foci you get a value. From a value you get 2b and 2a. So foci is basically a minus ae comma 0, and this is ae comma 0. So from here you get the value of a and e. No beta, I am not Malayali. I'm so sorry. I'm trying my best to help you out in every way possible, but it's only the language that I cannot speak. Oh, thank you, Atira. That's so sweet of you. Thank you, thank you. I'm so happy that I could help you. Okay, now if we are talking about the ellipse, the major axis is 2b and the minor axis is 2a. Okay, so just put the values, get the answer. Next is limits. Now from limits, now from differential equation, differential calculus, what type of questions will come? Limits, I have told you every type of possible question. Again, I am telling you the most repeated question. First is open the bracket. So these type of questions, open bracket and remove 0 by 0 form. So once you open the bracket, you put t is equal to 0, you get your answer. This type of equation, use identities. Which identity is used here? Which identity? L hospital cannot be used everywhere. So don't apply L hospital everywhere. Okay. So here the identity uses sin x upon x is 1. That identity is used. So we will make it as sin t square upon t square and sin 5t upon 5t. Convert it into this format and you can easily solve it. Thank you, Anushri. Thank you so much. That's so sweet and really very happy. Okay, great. So, next type of question, of course, L hospital rule. L hospital rule is what? If this is fx, if this is gx, you find out f dash of x and g dash of x and put x is equal to 0. Okay? Okay? So like this you will be able to solve it using L hospital's rule. Fine. So limits, this type of question only will come. Every question you just try to remove the 0 by 0 format, differentiate the numerator and denominator, open the bracket, convert it into identity. That's all. Next is continuity and differentiability. From continuity they will ask what is the value of constant c when it is a continuous function. Same type of question. In this type of question what you do? You just put c here, equate it. So 3c plus 6 is c square minus 3c minus 1. From here you get the value of c. Every time same type of question will come from continuity. Next, from differentiability and continuity, they will also ask question based on limits. Continuity is very easy. The legend, don't look at continuity like that. It is very easy, na? Continuity is easy or not? Whatever they are asking, just put left hand limit, right hand limit, just put the value, equate, get the answer. It's so easy, nothing, no extra effort, no extra logic apart from this. Okay. Next is, what if they ask, find the value of a if this limit is a finite number? I have told you this type of question. Now, whenever they say that limit is a finite number and if your denominator is coming 0, then your numerator should also be 0 because 0 by 0 is a finite form of limits, right? So how will you get it? You will simply put the value as -2. So 3 into -2 square plus a into -2 will be 0. Numerator will be 0 when you put x is equal to -2. Okay. So remember, for limits, if they say it is a finite number, then just check the numerator and denominator both are coming 0 for which value. Alright. Next, differentiability concept. Now differentiability, of course you have to learn finding derivatives of exponent, of logarithm, of parametric form, of second order derivative, all kinds of derivatives you should know. Okay. Now this is what? This is parametric form. Parametric form, how do we identify it? This is basically x is also related to theta, y is also related to theta. So here this is basically a to the power x, a to the power y differentiation. Not x and y particularly, sorry, I just mean to say that they are the variables, kind of that variable. So this is like a to the power p and a to the power q, better I say it like that, differentiation. So this is parametric form. In the parametric form, we convert both of them into same format, and what we do, we find dx by d theta. From here we find dy by d theta, and then we find dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta to get dy by dx. Okay? Yep, right. Next, differentiability concepts. Now differentiability concept, whenever they ask, whenever they say that the function is differentiable, please remember, if it is differentiable, it is continuous also. If it is differentiable, it is continuous also. So you will get two equations. First equation will be left hand limit will be equal to right hand limit. Second, left hand derivative will be equal to right hand derivative. Both the equations we will use to find out a and b, because there are two variables involved. If there is only one single variable involved, just find out the left hand limit derivative and right hand derivative. But if there are two variables, then you find both. You find the limit also, you find the derivative also. Can you do such type of question? Can you do such type of question? Tell me yes or no. What is the left hand limit and right hand limit? Left hand limit is tan pi by 4. Right hand limit is a pi by 4 plus b. This is equation number 1. Now from derivative, what is tan x differentiation? Tan x differentiation. Tan x differentiation, tell me. What is the derivative of tan x? Yes, secant square x. So secant square pi by 4. Now differentiate this, you get a. This is equation number 2. Right? Chalo, I will write it step by step. So I am doing d by dx of tan x is equal to d by dx of ax plus b. So secant square pi by 4 is a. This is equation number 2. Clear? So from equation number 1, equation number 2, you get the answer. If there are two variables, two equations. Two variables, two equations. Okay? Okay, great. Moving on. Next, from continuity and differentiability also, they can ask concept from mean value theorem. Now, mean value theorem is nothing but f dash of c is fb minus fa upon b minus a. So, here they have given the function as cos x. So, basically, d by dx of cos x is FB. So cos pi by 3 minus cos 0 upon pi by 3 minus 0. So from here you get C value. Okay. So cos x differentiation is minus sin x, right? So minus sin C is cos pi by 3. Cos pi by 3 is cos 60 degree is 1 by 2. Cos 0 is 1 upon pi by 3. Just solve this and you get value of C. Okay. Next, application of derivatives chapter. Application of derivatives, they will ask a question from this type of question, rate of change. They will ask a question from increasing decreasing function and maxima minima question and tangent normal question. All of this is coming every year. Every year they are asking question from tangent normal, maxima minima, increasing decreasing, rate of change. It's a very good chapter, very scoring, easy, good chapters. You should revise it before exam. Okay. How to approach slope is Amal, slope is tangent normal slope. That is included inside tangent normal. They will ask. Approximation they will not ask. No. They will not ask approximation. Only rate of change, increasing, decreasing, maxima, minima, tangent normal. Only that much. No need to do approximation. They will not ask. Most probably they never ask in the previous year paper, so they will not ask. That's what. I'm not too sure what they do this year, of course. What type of question is this? This is air is blown in a spherical ball. Diameter is increasing at the rate of 3 cm per minute. Rate of change of the volume of the balloon is increasing when diameter is 10 is dash. So, what is volume of the sphere? 4 by 3 pi r cube. This is 4 by 3 pi into diameter divided by 2 whole cube. So, this is 4 by 3 pi diameter cube upon 8. 4 2s are 8. So, volume is basically pi by 6 into d cube. Now, they are asking what is dv by dt and here also d by dt of this. Differentiate this. dv by dt will be pi by 6 into d by dt of d diameter cube. What is differentiation of diameter cube? Pi by 6 into 3 times of diameter square into dd by dt. What is the rate of change of diameter? Increasing at the rate of 3 centimeter per minute. So, dd by dt is 3. dd by dt is 3. d is 10 centimeter. Given here, na? d is 10, dd by dt is 3. Put the values, get the answer. Simple. So, how you will start this type of question? Start from the volume formula, differentiate it, put the value of diameter, put the value of rate of change of diameter, and your rate of change of volume will be there. Okay. Next type of question, they will always ask, find the maximum value of the function, minimum value of the function, find the increasing interval, decreasing interval, find the tangent slope, normal slope, tangent equation, normal equation. All of this is important. I have already told this. Okay. So, you want final answer, Najan? Let me solve. Okay, no problem. So, here we have, actually I don't have space, that's why I was not solving. But anyways, 3 into 100, 10 square is 100 into 3. So, 3 2s are 6, 2 50s are 100, 50 into 3 is 150 pi. This is the answer, final answer 150 pi. Okay, Najan and Jan, I don't know how to pronounce your name. So, 150 pi is the answer. Cool. Okay. Cool. What is the maximum value of this function? How to find maxima and minima? First, you find out f dash of x. F dash of x, find the derivative. 3x square, 12 2s are 24x plus 36 is equal to 0. So, x square, 3 8s are 24, 3 12 are 36. So I have removed 3. Now you factorize it. So when you factorize it, x square and 6 and 2. 6x, 2x plus 12 equals to 0. So x common, x minus 6 minus 2 common, x minus 6 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 6 or x is equal to 2. है ना? Now what we will do? We will find f double dash of x. So I will just delete all of this. So we are getting x is equal to 6 or x is equal to 2. Now we will find f double dash of x. What is f double dash of x? F dash x was 3x square 24x plus 36. If you differentiate this, 3 2s are 6x minus 24. Now f double dash of 6 is 36 minus 24 greater than 0. F double dash of 2 is 6 2s are 12 minus 24 less than 0. So what is the maxima value? Maxima value is 2, not 6, because it should be less than 0. Amal, it should be less than 0 for maximum. We are doing it for maximum, not for minimum. But is this the answer? How many of you feel f of 2 is my answer? Tell me. F of 2 is the answer, yes or no? F of 2 is the answer, yes or no? F of 2 is the answer? No, f of 2 is not the answer. Do you know why f of 2 is not the answer? Maxima is max of critical point, f of critical point or f of A or f of B. This is your A, this is your B. They have given the limit value. If they have given the limit value, you have to find out the limit value. So what is the maximum value of the function? It is either f of 2 or f of 1 or f of 10. Yes, 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 correct. So what is f of 2? F of 2 is 2 cube 12 into 2 square plus 36 into 2. F of 1 is 1 cube minus 12 into 1 square plus 36 into 1 plus 17 plus 17. And f of 10 is 10 square 12 into 10 square minus 36 into 10 plus 17. Now from all of these values you check which is the maximum value, then you can say which is the right answer. Whichever is coming maximum here, that will be the right answer. Why have I done minus 36? Sorry, it is plus 36. Understood? 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 No, we will not check for 6. We will not check for 6 because we know it is greater than 0. It cannot be maximum value. Will not check for 6. Yes, that's why I have put this question, because everybody feels that we have got maxima value at 2, so 2 is the answer, but 2 is not the answer. We have to check for f of A and f of B also, right? 10 cube, my bad. This is 1 square, this is 10 cube, sorry, my bad. So I think f of 10 will come maximum. Okay, next is integration. We have already done one shot of integration. I have shown you so many variety of questions. Generally, integration by parts, integration by substitution, integration of definite integral come in the exam. But integration by substitution is one of the favorite. Okay, how to identify integration by substitution? If you differentiate the a function, like if your function is of the format fx into f dash of x or fx divided by f dash of x, then it is substitution method. Okay, so then basically you should try substituting it. Okay, so here, oh sorry, I will shift this side. Which ones should we substitute? Let's check what is the derivative of 1 by root 2 d by dt of 1 by root 2 is t to the power minus 1 by 2. When I differentiate it, I get minus 1 by 2 and t to the power plus 1 is 1 by 2. So I get, I have moved, don't worry. Minus 1 by 2 root t. So if we put 1 by root t differentiation, we get minus 1 by 2 root t. Root t cancel. It will become e to the power x upon it will become e to the power x upon x square. Yeah. Or if we put e to the power 1 by root t. We'll put 1 by root t as x and we will integrate it. So this is equals to x. Suppose 1 by root t is x, then dt will come root t into dx. So we will put here root t into dx. Root t cancel. We'll get e to the power x upon x square integration. Okay. Next, last is statistics and probability. From statistics and probability, yesterday only we have done in the Minnal Keam series, we have done like complete revision of all the topics. But from probability, mostly they ask a question on this formula. A union B is A plus B minus A intersection B. Secondly, conditional probability formula. Conditional probability formula is probability of A given B is probability of A intersection B upon probability of B. These two formulas are most important. Generally, they ask questions from here only. They will involve independent event, mutually exclusive event, whatsoever, but generally they will ask question from here. Okay. And in statistics, your coefficient of variation, your standard deviation, mean value, these are the three important topics. This type of question we have done yesterday. They can ask question from here. So CV is equal to sigma upon mean value into 100. This formula and some 2-3 more formulas I have told you yesterday from statistics and probability chapter. Do revise them. They are good and important. Alright guys. So this was all from our side for you guys for the Minnal Keam series. I hope this session was useful for you. I hope you are able to solve all these type of questions after so many days of practice. I will definitely pray for all of you and you guys are definitely going to rock tomorrow in your exam. So all the very best, all the very best, all the very best. You will definitely do great. Have full faith on yourself that you have studied everything. You have given your best. Now, don't learn anything. Don't study anything. Go relax, chill. Okay? Just sleep well, eat well. No nervousness at all. Self-belief is everything we need right now. Self-confidence is most important right now. At night, you will not think, oh, I have revised this or not, revised that or not. No. Whatever you have revised is enough. Do not revise anything new. Okay? If you want to revise, just open your formula cheat sheet. Go through all the formulas. That's it. Maths, nothing else. Just revising formula or just going to sleep. No other option. No new chapters, no new topic, no new revision. Whatever you know is enough for you. You can do great. Even if you get 250 plus, even if you get 200 plus, absolutely fine. You are doing awesome. Don't panic in the exam. Even with that marks also, you'll get some good colleges. So don't panic at all. Okay? Give your best. Do your best. And we are there for you. And forget the rest. Leave it on God now. Okay, so all the very best. All my prayers are with you. You have really done so much of hard work all these days. I definitely pray that all your hard work comes out true and you rock in the exam tomorrow. Okay, have a great day. Please drink lots of water today. Please do not drink lots of water tomorrow. Eat healthy food at night. Home cooked healthy food. Not going out. Sleep on time. At what time? Not more than 11 p.m. Before 11 p.m., before 10 p.m., all of you should sleep. Wake up nicely. Get ready nicely. Prepare your stationery today. Don't leave it for tomorrow. And go and write the exam. And of course, admit card photocopies. If you don't have, do it today, do it today, do it today. Okay. All the best, guys. Rock in the exam. See you guys tomorrow. Also, will be here. Will be help you. Will be having chit chat and discussing the paper. So till then, go rock. Thank you for watching. And yeah, do hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more such videos. Bye. Bye everybody. Good night. All the best. Rock it. Bye-bye. Bye.